friends, I am Dr. Chhavi Gupta, Yashoda Hospital Super Speciality Senior Consultant Infectious Disease Specialist. As we mark World Malaria Day on 25th April, it is essential to reflect upon the progress made in the field of malaria. As we are aware that malaria has been a public health challenge for long decades and it carries a high mortality rate. Earlier, microscopy and rapid diagnostic kits were used for detection of malaria, but these has some of the shortcomings and are likely to miss infections. Now we have a nucleic acid detection test where we can even pick a single malarial parasite nucleic acid. So the tropical fever is a multiplex syndromic panel which includes multiplexing testing for various other pathogens along with the malaria. These tests are highly recommended as along with the malaria it also captures other disease like dengue, chikungunya, scrub typhus, etc. So let's continue our journey towards malaria eradication so that we are safe. Thank you.